Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Hey kids, today we will learn phonics sounds. Kids, do you know the alphabets? Yes, it has 26 letters. These 26 letters have their own sound. Each letter produces a different sounds. So, let's learn and sing the letters and their sounds. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog. Hey kids, let's sing with me. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat. H is for horse. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for joker, joker. K is for kite, kite. L is for line. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for quack, queen. Hey kids, are you enjoying? Keep singing with me. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch, watch. X is for ray, Y is for yaw. Z is for zebra. Hope you enjoyed singing with me. Thank you.